Hello friends, welcome to another video. Boris Johnson is about to announce new measures about the lockdown, and I'm about to make a new video about Huawei GT2 smartwatch faces only. I'm gonna show you how many faces this smartwatch has. So this is one. It shows heart rate, it shows steps, and it shows calories. So you keep your finger up there and then you can change to that one, or you hold down and then it has battery, it has all sorts of stuff. This is another one. This is one I've downloaded, and the all this apart from the last one, yeah, it comes pre-installed with the watch. I'm gonna show you all the ones that comes pre-installed to the watch with the watch. Yeah, you get the idea. Depends if you're more of a fan of an analog watch, or if you're a fan of more like uh, these watches, the old style watch. Yeah, and you can have steps, calories, weather, heartbeat. Um, so how many I've shown you? I like pretty much this one, but yeah, anyway. So this reminds me of Windows a bit. Anyway, and this is the classic one. I mean, you've seen this one. So that's all the pre-installed. Now let me scroll back to where I was. I was on that one. So what happens if you're bored of all this and you want more? Well, what you do, you get your mobile phone and then you go on the application, yeah, on the health application. Then you go on the devices, and then you have to connect the phone with the watch. You press the connect button. Sorry, come on, why is it not doing it? Guys, you jinxed it. Sorry, enable Bluetooth allow. Yeah, I didn't see it, and it's connected. So if you want to download all the data that they are on, that all this time the smartwatch recorded, yeah, you go on the health and you drag down, and it updates everything you've done. I'm gonna go through the exercises: heart, sleep. It records the sleep, weight. No, weight is the scale. Sorry, I lied. Stress. That's quite cool actually. I'm gonna run through all the functions on a later video, but now I want to make a video only for faces. So you go on devices anyway, and you don't go on music. You go on music if you're going to load music from the phone to the watch. Watch faces, right? These ones, they're way more. So if you're bored with all the faces, um, the watch came pre-installed. They're all these. As you can see, these ones they're paid. Yeah, you have to pay £1, £2, whatever. But there are free. Yeah, can you see this button is free? So if you go on the free ones, look at all this. Yeah, and you can install on the watch any one of these. I mean, literally, there's so many. They're all free. You just click the install button, and since the watch is connected with the phone, it just downloaded. I've done it once. I've downloaded one, but yeah. Let's see if I like someone. Look, this looks like a scale. That's pretty cool. Look how many they have. Keep going. Yeah, I download this one. You can see here it says installed. And with every watch, there are different kind of information. Oh dear. Right, these guys, it's endless. But that's been installed. Hope I have an eBay notification. I'll check it later. Anyway, you get the idea. There's so many guys, so many. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.